Hey, what's going on, everybody? Badger DOI back here again. And the new ROG Ally X and Xbox full screen experience are everywhere right now. But instead of buying new hardware, I decided to build my own version of it. This is the Badger Ally Box Plus, a tiny Windows Power console that boots straight into the Xbox app, plays Game Pass titles, Steam games, and even RetroBat for maybe Wii and PS3 classics. And also added emulate as I could not decide which one to pick. I've been using it for a week now, and today we'll see if it really feels like a next-gen Xbox you can build yourself. Don't forget to drop a like, subscribe, and let's check it out. Under the hood, we got an Intel Core i5-7500T, 16 gigs of RAM, and a 500 gigs SSD. It's small, quiet, and surprisingly capable for its size. I wrapped it in a custom black and white skin and added some subtle RGB lighting to match the look of the modern console. This is the core of the Badger Ally Box Plus, compact hardware, ready to do it all. When you hit that power button, it feels like a real console. Windows boots up into Xbox app in full screen mode. No desktop, no mouse, just plug in your controller and play. The navigation is smooth, fast, and every Game Pass title is right there on the home screen. The software setup is simple but powerful. I got the Xbox app for Game Pass, Steam for my PC library, and I have RetroBat for my all my classic systems. Or you can use emulate for Windows. On top of that, I customized the desktop with my own ROG style wallpaper, dark gradient neon edges, and my Badger Ally Box Plus logo. I mean, even outside of games, it looks and feels like a next gen dashboard. The Xbox app is the heart of the build. From here, I can play Game Pass for PC titles or stream straight from the cloud. Achievements, friends, and saves sync perfectly, just like a real Xbox. The interface feels familiar, and performance, even on integrated graphics, is honestly impressive. Steam works like a standard PC, no big picture mode required, but I enable it anyway. I can switch between Xbox and Steam instantly and launch titles like Fortnite. Or games like Hollow Knight. To make navigation even smoother, I added AntimicroX. It lets you map controller buttons to keyboard shortcuts. I mapped one stick button for Alt Tab and another for Alt F4 and one for the Windows key so I can switch apps or close them without ever touching a keyboard. Then I set both Steam Big Picture and the Xbox app to launch automatically as startup. Now when the system boots, it drops me straight into Xbox dashboard, all control from my gamepad. It's small details like this that makes it feel like a real console experience. And here where the Badger Eye Box Plus really stands out, we have RetroBat. It transforms this setup into a full retro gaming console, ready to launch your legally owned games, stuff like Blade 2 on PS2. Some laggy Wii games. And I even tried some Xbox 360 titles, Dead Island, but obviously it's not playable at all. But games like Minecraft will run locally really well. Or Prince of Persia, The Lost Crown. Everything is controller friendly and the performance is surprisingly good-ish. Combined with Xbox and Steam, is truly an all-in-one gaming system. What impressed me the most is how well it all runs together. Even with Xbox, Steam, and RetroBat open, the i5 handles everything with ease. Temps stay cool, fan noise is minimal, and I can control the entire setup with one wireless controller. I mean, it's fast-ish, reliable, and honestly feels more console than a PC. So here's the full experience in action. Power on, straight to Xbox, jump to Steam for PC titles, switch to RetroBat for classic games. I mean, it's a true hybrid between console and PC, and honestly, more flexible than either one alone. So, after a week of testing, here's my verdict. The Badger Ally Box Plus is quite efficient and incredibly versatile. For under 100, you get a system that runs Xbox titles, Steam games, and retro consoles all from one box. It's not meant to replace the Series X or an Ally X, but it delivers quite the same experience, one you build yourself. Next Sunday, I'll be building something else, maybe a PlayStation style console, so make sure you subscribe so you don't miss it. If you enjoyed this build, drop a like, share it with a friend who loves DIY gaming, drop a comment, let me know what you think about this setup, and as always, thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.